And it's for Thursday the 4th of November. Here we go. If it ever happens that you forget to say a Shmona Esrei one day, like Mincha, by accident we're discussing, where you totally, it slips your mind, you were busy doing other stuff, and later that night you go, oh my gosh, I never said Mincha. So the appropriate thing to do, if it was by accident, I repeat that, because this won't apply if you did it just out of laziness. But again, if it was by accident, later that night at Mariv, you can say 2 Shmona Esreis. Now the way it works is, the first Shmona Esrei that you say is the Mariv Shmona Esrei, and the second Shmona Esrei that you say is the makeup Shmona Esrei. That's the way it's supposed to work when you do those makeups. This is a take off on yesterday's halacha where we told you there must be a pause in between these 2 Shmona Esreis of at least 5 seconds or so that you get your fresh state of mind back and then begin your second Shmona Esrei. The reason that it's important to know that your makeup is being said later that night and that your second one is the makeup is because of this important law. Let's say that at the time that you're doing the makeup Shmona Esrei, it's a different type of Shmona Esrei. Like let's say the mincha that you forgot was Friday afternoon. When you're remembering and doing your makeup, it's Friday night and it's Shabbos. So what do? The Shmona Esrei that you say first is of course the Friday night Shmona Esrei. What do you do for the makeup Shmona Esrei? Say a weekday Shmona Esrei, the 8 to the 19 bracha thing on Friday night? I don't think so, because it's Shabbos. So what you do is you do your makeup according to the time frame that you're in. Since you're remembering on Friday night, the only appropriate Shmona Esrei to say on Friday night is the Friday night Shmona Esrei. Therefore, what you're actually going to do as the makeup for the Friday afternoon mincha that you missed is to say 2 Friday night Shmona Esreis. The first one is your Marav, and the second one is your makeup for the Mincha. That's how it works. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more, and we're going to start reminding you now that there's a time change coming late Saturday night, and that's going to affect a lot of halachas of the timing of your davening on Sunday, and we'll let you know all about that. Thanks for logging on. Log on again tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.